Hi guys, so today I just wanted to do a quick video on Krans' newest deck, the Alchemy deck. I just got it in the mail and I wanted to just share my first impressions of it and do an unboxing with you guys. So I'll go ahead and open it. I did order from Amazon. So if you guys are familiar with her work, she has already released 3 other decks. I just brought them here. So we have the Wild Unknown Tarot, the Animal Spirit, and then of course the Archetypes deck. This is the 4th and the final deck that she is releasing for this series. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the inside. So I did place an order a while ago, I think a couple of weeks ago at least, and it was just pre-order at that point, and they're finally shipping it out now, and I believe today is the first day that it's become available to those of us who ordered it a couple weeks ago. Okay. We can let the cat participate as well. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So the Wild Unknown Alchemy deck and guidebook. We have a snake and pearls in the middle. Signs here written and illustrated by Krans. In the back we have Welcome to the Wild Unknown Alchemy, 71 hexagon cards, and a illustrated guidebook that's gonna be 236 pages. So that's a pretty she basically gives you a whole book with each deck. May you always be on the inner quest. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here we have from lead to gold, the secret sealed. Patience more will be revealed. Alright. So here's the guidebook. That's going to be 236 pages. So it does look really beautiful on the inside. So first thing I noticed is that it's all black and purple and white, which is different from the Archetypes deck, which was red and white and blue inside. So it smells really nice. Smells like a new book. And I actually see like a picture of her, which is I think new. I don't think she had any pictures of herself within the deck. So that's really beautiful. It definitely does remind me of the Archetypes deck and the guidebook for this deck. Mercury, Iron, Ash, Lightning. These are great. Okay, so here's the guidebook. Let's go ahead and take a look at the actual deck itself. So let's take it out like this. So it has a beautiful rose in the middle with the pearl inside. The sides look like this. It's pretty gorgeous. This is what the back looks like. The Wild Unknown, Alchemy, and this is what the deck looks like. It starts with the sun, baby, shh. And we're gonna have 71 decks cards inside. Of course, she always has this ribbon, so you can take it out easily. It smells like a new book. And this is what a card looks like, and this is what the back of the card looks like. We have the sun, we have Luna, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, all have the same back design. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, etc. Let's see what the last card is. This is the Sun. Conjunction, I believe, is the last card. That's 71. And then we can see that they both have, like, they have two words here, separation and I'm guessing that's Spanish? I'm not too sure. So separation, conjunction. Right, so we can see like a pattern there. Sublimation, the peacock's tail, etc. Yeah, breath. So these are the cards, 71 in total. I'm going to go ahead and put the Sun card on top. The back looks gorgeous. And one thing that's really cool about this deck is that we'll be able to do a really cool looking spread for this. So like, you know, instead of doing like just a regular, you know, 1, 2, 3, you could do something like, you know, 1, 2, 3. You can like make a really nice pattern with it. Maybe that might be really helpful for the readings. Put something in the middle. It's a really nice shapes. You could sort of continue with your pattern. But yeah. So that is what the deck looks like. It is beautiful. It definitely reminds me of her archetypes deck for sure. And I think it's a really nice final, you know, deck to be added to the collection, the series. So congrats to Kim on another beautiful deck. I, of course, will have to get familiar with it, learn, you know, read the guidebook and learn all about it before I could do, you know, before I could like, you know, see how I feel about the actual deck. But so far so good. It looks beautiful, and I would really recommend it, especially if you are a fan of her earlier works. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in another one. Okay, bye.